Hello there! Today I'm hiking at the Oxley Nature Center in Tulsa. This isn't a super challenging hike at all, but it is one of my favorite places to come and kind of recharge after a long day, and I don't even have to leave town. That is the sound of about 100 million little blackbirds right above me. How cool.
Something you should think about when you're hiking any trail are going to be the conditions that you face. For instance, today I knew it would be very, very wet and probably muddy, so I wore some wool socks and some trail runners. The wool is going to stay warm even if it gets wet, and the trail runners, of course, are going to drain and dry quickly if I ever stay out of water for long enough. Not doing that tends to lead people to take little detours off of the trail, creating new paths and impacting the plant life and even perhaps the wildlife habitat around the trail. So prepare accordingly. Be ready to walk through the middle of any trail, even if it's wet, even if it's muddy. That's on you. You got to prepare. So do that. My favorite features on this trail is this. It's not actually on the trail. The last part of the trail takes you along a road, and this is just off the road on another trail. But it is this cool tree with a big hole in it. Let's check it out. It's a big one. I don't think that was put there by nature. I think it was put there by a dumbass. Don't be that person. Cut this shit up. Made it back to the truck, 2.6 miles exactly. If you do want to take this trail, the Mary Kay Oxley Nature Center Loop, I would download the All Trails app. There it will show you the exact route to take. Actually, it's just kind of a honeycomb of trails back there, so you do have some options, but if you want to take this exact trail, I would follow the route on the app. Of course, remember to prepare for your trip by checking the conditions and dressing accordingly, and please don't put your trash all over the trail. It's disgusting. So, until next time, like, subscribe, do the things, find me on Instagram, keep me on YouTube,